Hi, my name is Carrie and today I am going to help you get the look for a classic smoky eye using the Brow Bar by Reema Sapphire Siren palette. The great thing about Brow Bar by Reema's Hollywood Icon Face Kits is that they come with translucent powder, blush, bronzer, highlight, and 4 eyeshadow colors. My favorite thing about the Sapphire Siren palette is this gorgeous, shimmery, shiny, vibrant blue. This palette gives you everything we need for a classic smoky eye, and you could add that extra pop of blue to make it a little bit different. With fall and colder weather coming around the corner, our makeup looks can get a little bit more moody and a little more dramatic. Let's get right to it, and I am going to show you how to get a smoky eye with the Sapphire Siren palette. I'm starting out today's makeup with the Bombshell Brow Kit in medium to get the most flawless brows. To prime our eyeshadow, I'm using the Undercover Lover Face Primer. It worked beautifully under the eyeshadow as well, so I applied that with my fingers. And next we're going in with the translucent powder and tapping that under the brow bone. This will give us something to blend our eyeshadow into. Here I'm picking up our first shade, and I'm just blending that into the crease, a little bit above the crease and a little bit below the crease. We're taking the darkest color, which is in the bottom left. It is a matte black. We are focusing it on the outer corner of the lid. You can begin blending that black upward into our original shadow. My favorite part coming up next is the blue eyeshadow. I'm using my finger to apply it. This will give it the most vibrant color, and I'm focusing it on the inner half of the eyelid. Before moving on to the eyeshadow on the lower half, I'm going to apply my foundation and powder. Here I'm using the translucent powder in the Sapphire Siren Face Kit. We are going to do a quick highlight under the brow, and this will just make our brows pop a little bit, and a little highlight in the inner corner of the eye. It's such a beautiful glow, and it'll focus on your eyes a lot more when people are looking. Here we are taking a mix of the 2 shadows on the left and blending that under your lower lashes. This is going to give a really moody and dramatic look. We will be using the gorgeous Flawless Eyeliner Gel from Brow Bar by Reema, and it is in the shade Blue, which I think goes so perfectly with this blue and shimmery smoky eye. I use an angled brush to apply the eyeliner, and I give it a slight wing on the end, nothing too dramatic to take away from the eyeshadow. Of course, we need some mascara. The Kajal pencil is perfect for going in your waterline. I use it below my upper lashes and in the waterline on my lower lashes. The way that the tip is on this pencil makes it really easy to get in your waterline. We cannot forget our contour and highlight, so I am going in with the contour shade that's in the Sapphire Siren palette, and then taking the highlight and going on the tops of my cheekbones. Lastly, we need the perfect lip color to go with the perfect eye, so I chose this gorgeous red, and it goes on so velvety, so creamy, and I'm obsessed with it. I hope you guys love this makeup and get a lot of tips and tricks from it, and I can't wait to see you wearing the Sapphire Siren palette.